What else?
I have two or three questions
Okay,
here.
go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
If we see a discussion between a Chassid and an ordained rabbinical authority, can you get in the middle to defend the Chassid, or the ordained person has Psak Halacha power, and whatever he holds as opinion can be truth?
Could you please repeat the question, and I would ask to give me an example, because I don't even clear what you're asking. Sorry. Could you please say it again with example?
Yeah. So we see a situation online, like a discussion in a forum between a Hasidic person
Yes.
and ordained rabbinical authority.
Chassid people and ordained rabbinical authority, they don't go to forums. Just so you know, the people who pretend to be. Okay. We don't go. Have you ever seen Rabbi Reuven Schlitt on forums? Rabbi Kachlan on forums? I never went to any forum. I never debate anybody. I don't even pick up the phone.
Well, in case the rabbinical is
Rabbinical. I want to explain to you something. A rabbinical authority, they ask me question. If they want to debate me, the forum is something like I say my opinion. Everybody debate my opinion. It's not rabbinical authority. Rabbinical authority, you send them a question. What should I do in this such and such situation? Is it kosher? Not kosher? And he said, not kosher. You have to do in situation A, B, C. That's it. That's rabbinical authority. They don't go. They don't debate the people. You understand? So if these people, if this rabbinical authority thinks that it's not, but if somebody thinks that they're equal, he's not rabbinical authority. You understand? So, and if they have a chutzpah to debate this rabbinical authority, there's nobody to talk about. Nobody to talk to. You understand? It's this forum is no starter.
I mean, because there is, I see that from my point of view, is like I see that there is we see, for example, we get the news about Israel. What was the last year? All the discussion between the secular people and the religious people. We started to see online through videos on YouTube, for example, discussions, maybe not directly, but answer from one side, a statement made from another side, and I see this like discussion between the Hasidim and the Haredim. There are like discrepancies, because Hasidim uses Kabbalah much of the time, and the Haredim they attach only to the Halacha.
So what is it? Okay, so what is the question? Okay.
Yes, so if we say that a Haredi person is like not very friendly towards a Hasid, can we get in the middle in that discussion?
It should not be. I don't think they argue it. Somebody takes this one opinion and another opinion, and in the middle he has all of the advertisement running. So it's a money making. So they like, yeah, you understand? You would never see the Hasidim go to the Litvish or Yeshivish. They start arguing about this politics. It's not existent. It's somebody try to make money like that.
So, but the Haredim, for example, if they were former authority in some Beit Din, for example, whatever they say has authority over whatever
No, it's the opinion. So authority means that the Beis Din, right? For example, it's they ask him specific to decide specific situation, and they say that's psak halacha. So you ask, and we consider all of these facts. We talk to the witnesses, this and that. We did our research based on what you ask. So that's what you must do. So that the Beis Din, but somebody like. They would ask somebody a question, so he gives the answer. I mean, okay, but let's say Hasidim, they have own Rabbi, so they would not listen to other people. Most likely, Haredim they don't listen to this Rabbi. Maybe yes, maybe no. Most likely, right? So that's a little, if you can say, disunity, right? They have their leader, we have our leader. And that's it. So how can we agree if there is no basis to agree, right? They explain something on this aspect of the Torah. We expect on different aspect of the Torah. So we're like two different things. There is no argument, especially about politics. You understand? So it's a waste of time. It's considered to be bitul Torah to discuss politics. Like one thing, if you advise maybe some government official, yes, but talk to the people around the world. What they are they going to affect the policy of their country? Most likely not.
Another way to put this on the table is with this example that based on a prophecy that says that in the end of times, 10 people from every nation are going to hold onto the seat of Yehudi. So that's so we see like a boom since the corona crisis on channels on YouTube and different channels on the internet that they are trying to attack people to the Torah, but we see, or I see, two different perspectives. One is Haredi, that is very based on halacha, and the other is based on Kabbalah. Basically, it's like one is trying to make Noahide only, and not attempting to with the sparks of holiness to become Jewish. And we see these two perspectives. So that is another example.
So these non-Jews, they watch Haredi channel, and they want to do what? To become Noahites?
I see that they are not. They are with many doubts, and that's when I want to help enter into these forums and telling my opinion. But I don't know if that is correct, because it is right to do that, because maybe I am making some transgression against Haredi people.
So of course we should not go to against another Jew, especially if he's kosher and he has his own ways. Like somebody left us a message on our channel today. The Torah, you should learn Torah in Hebrew. Okay, so he left under our video. So this tzaddik, he left us 7 messages today. So if you say that you must, everybody must learn Torah in Hebrew original language, so why are you on our channel? So you understand. So if you think that you can help other people, open your own channel and teach people. That's it, the correct way. Why should you go to somebody else? Like for example, all of the Muslims, all of these disgusting people, they put so much I don't know, this. what the poison, like there's so much hatred they spill. It's unbelievable. So much hatred to Hashem, to Jewish people, to Torah. It's unbelievable. Of course, we block them, but me personally, I never ever went to Muslim website and never commented. I never ever went to this Christian website or channel. Never commented on this non-believers website. I don't know, non-Jewish website. Like never ever I commented to anybody. Like we opened our channel and then we continue to spread Torah. You understand? But in my channel, I can restrict who is going to say what, right? And who has this Muslim is not going to have a word in our channel. And we got the proof today. That's that correct approach from Shammai, right? If you have time, I'm going to show you. You understand? So start your own forum and then see how it goes. So don't go to others, especially if they have if a kosher person has a different view, and maybe you do not understand. Maybe I don't understand. Maybe we need another 20 years to learn whatever he learned to get his view. If it's actually the kosher person. So and that's it. So don't go against him. Open your own, something of your own.
So I have another question related to this. That it probably is going to put this even clearer.
Okay.
And I see like a trend around the world, in the religious world, that suggests there must be done a rectification of Esau, of Esau, which is the Christian world. I have studied some sources, and the ones that talk about that are Kabbalistic.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, sources talking of the return of the 10 tribes
Mm-hmm.
by attacking them to do the Teshuvah and to follow the law of Moses are dozens. There are dozens of proofs written in plain text, written by the prophets. So should the religious leaders focus on converts or Noahites?
No, religious leaders should to focus on Jews first of all. So if there is no Jews to help, you can. If Noahide comes to you, you have to help him. If somebody wants to convert, you have to help them. But the main focus on Jews, right? So we're not obligated to convert the whole world. Somebody wants to convert, they come to us. We're trying to help them, right? Few people wrote to us, lady not Jewish, so she said, I'm confused, under one of our videos. So she said, should I'm not a Jew, she said, should I observe Shabbos or not? So okay, so we were going to answer her nicely. I mean, okay, that's not a problem, right? So we have to be nice to them, we have to teach them if they're interested, and we have to provide the material. But we're not going to chase after them, absolutely not.
Because with this approach that they are focusing on Noahites, they are saying, I see they are saying that Christianity is okay for Noahites. I mean, they are, how do you say this? There are many people people today are not wanting to become Noahites. They are wanting to become Jewish. That's their goal. That is what I see.
Okay.
And if we would make a poll, that would be the result. I am pretty sure. But I see that there are two perspectives today. They are not. They are like putting much effort into making Noahites.
Okay, so again, our goal is not to make Noahites. Our goal is to spread the Torah. So if they see the light of the Torah, they want to be Noahites, let them be Noahites. You see, but we cannot lead them. But there is no nothing that we can help them. You understand? So I mean, it's very hard to be Noahide. right? Because there is no organized, no high things. They're actually forbidden because it's going to be a new religion.
And also, I see that they are starting to be new movements with like their own sets of prayers.
Yeah, that's apicor. I'm going to stop it. I deal with that. It's apicorsim, 100%. So I told all of them, you want to go against Hashem, take two sidurs. Okay, that's I deal with these people. Okay.
So basically, that was like a way to resume this topic.
Mm-hmm.
The final question is: can a Jewish king or majority of opinions and voices override a rabbinical court in order to nullify a psak?
Yes. He can. He has this power, and he has the power, unlimited power, meaning he can execute person. So the guy stole, and he stole, and they didn't catch him or caught him, and he's a known thief, and there were no two witnesses, stuff like that. So and one witness, and the people complain. So and he's very happy because Beis Din cannot do anything to him. I guess what comes the king, and your head is off tomorrow morning. He said, "Can I do teshuva?" No. That's it. So that's one of a very important role of the king to instill that justice, like which is which normal court cannot do. Okay. What else?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.